वेलकम टू एसओएमपी। आज के आरएसटीवी डिस्कशन का टॉपिक है इंडियाज रोल इन पोस्ट कोविड वर्ल्ड। दीज वर द पैनलिस्ट ऑफ आवर डिस्कशन। सो आइए देखते हैं कि कंटेक्स्ट क्या है। हाल ही में एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्टर मिस्टर एस जयशंकर ने एड्रेस किया एट सरदार पटेल मेमोरियल लेक्चर में कि कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक अब तक का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिवास्टेटिंग ग्लोबल हेल्थ क्राइसिस है विच इज बीइंग फेस्ड बाय द वर्ल्ड। पॉलिसी मेकर्स अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड डील कर रहे हैं इसके इम्पैक्ट से, साथ ही साथ फोकस कर रहे हैं कि कैसे जो भी इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल लॉस हुई है उसकी रिकवरी कैसे की जाए। इसी कंटेक्स्ट में मिस्टर जयशंकर ने यह भी एड्रेस किया कि बोथ लाइव्स एंड लाइवलीहुड हैज बीन एन ओवरआर्चिंग कंसर्न फॉर ऑल एंड एक्सपेक्टेडली दिस इज इंडियाज प्राइमरी प्रीऑक्यूपेशन टू एट दिस टाइम। सो नाउ लेट अस सी इंडिया का क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहा है ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक टाइम। Before pandemic, India is known as a global techie. World trust India, respects its democratic values. इंडिया ने काफी हद तक अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक टाइम when with respect to the global context. India has done very well in the first response to outreach which the US and the other countries have made. India was able to share its supplies and stocks with the world at large, which gave India a very good image globally. And साथ ही साथ ये भी दिखाया कि we are proactive. That means India is proactive when such case of emergencies arises. कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक ने स्पेसिफिकली शेप किया है परसेप्शन ऑफ इंडिया एज अ फार्मेसी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज इंडिया ने बहुत ज्यादा अपने इक्विपमेंट्स, ग्लव्स, पीपी किट्स, हाइड्रोक्लोरोक्वीन सप्लाई किए हैं टू द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. This shows that there was a surge of India's medical diplomacy globally. India also exempted countries, mainly the African countries, this year who do not wanted to repay the interest on the capitals of the loans जो कि उन्होंने इंडिया से लिया था. So इन्होंने इंडिया ने ये loans interest and capitals को exempt कर दिया इस साल के लिए. So overall देखा जाए India has performed quite well during this COVID-19 pandemic time with respect to the global context. So now let us see what can be the challenges for India during this post-COVID world. Major challenges which India faces are shoring up its production at home, that is at the domestic level, and India needs to work on it. Global world order अभी change हो गया है. US जो कि biggest player है has been hardest hit by the COVID. India's economy of $2.7 trillion, जिसमें more than 50% of its trade is with the US is the major issue now because US काफी suffer कर रहा है because of the COVID. So now अभी जब भी India इस चीज को address करेगा, it needs to look upon it and there is a need to look at any responses in this post-COVID world. Pandemic ने ये भी दिखाया है कि India have been lacking in its own disposal of healthcare amongst its own people. It's just that we were fortunate enough कि हमारे numbers इतने ज़्यादा नहीं हुए थे. It was within the manageable limits. But we were not able to manage our population, its migration from and to the village, proper social distancing, and other guidelines during this pandemic, which was supposed to be followed during this pandemic time. It was not followed effectively. So this can be one of the challenges. So now let us see कि क्या इंडिया का रोल होना चाहिए during this post-COVID world. That is what can be the way forward. Trust and resilience are the two characteristics which is very important. India need to work on this. Real resilience तभी होगा जब हम अपने यूथ को स्किल देंगे. That is we work on our manpower. इंडिया के पास एडवांटेज है इसके पॉपुलेशन की and we need to train and skill them. जो कि हमारा यूथ है इट शुड नॉट बिकम अ यूथ बल्ज बट अ यूथ डिविडेंड. वो हमारी लाइबिलिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए बल्कि हमारी एसेट होनी चाहिए. सो देर इज अ नीड टू स्किल दिस पीपल स्पेसिफिकली इन द हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर बिकॉज अभी कोविड के टाइम में इस पे ज्यादा काम करने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है to treat the patients in this pandemic time and involve them in socially responsible activity. In an integrated globalized world, India need to navigate through the complex problems which is going around. We need to evolve multiple policy approaches and we need to focus on our international relations with the other countries as well. And साथ ही साथ, we need to ensure our domestic capabilities as well. Listen, we can only have our high international profile if we are able to shore up our domestic capabilities and if we are able to deliver on what we talk about. So, this is very important. Also, we need to step out of the world in the field of digital technology, pharmaceutical industries, because the new opportunities are which are coming are of course in manufacturing pharmaceuticals and the new vaccine. There is also a need to work on innovation. We can also be the creator of vaccine rather than just being a manufacturer. By this, we can be known as a biotech of the world rather than just being merely the pharmacist of the world. साथ ही साथ there is also a need for the elaboration on the telecommunication, broadband, Wi-Fi, etc. to communicate in the world while the virus rages outside. We need to depend on e-commerce to create the jobs now. There is also a need to focus on the blueprint of developing social infrastructure at many levels. That is healthcare हुआ, primary education हुआ, drinking water, etc. We need to have a bottoms-up approach. That is, we need to start from the district level. We must give enough impetus to the India's private sector and the civil society to be the partners into the new order that India seeks to be a part of it. The UN and its agencies, the Bretton Woods Institution, and other such institutions need to accommodate the voices of the countries like India, जो कि काफी ज़्यादा हद तक inclusive है, who want to pursue sustainable policies and are more responsible and responsive. So these can be certain measures which India can take to enhance its role in the post-COVID world. That is in this new world order. So now let us see the conclusion. Today we are in a dynamic flux where we are being judged by our own capacity कि हम इस pandemic को कैसे deal कर रहे हैं. And that is why we must pursue this relentlessly to get it right. India want to be seen as a provider of a public service. ठीक है. So India has taken right steps to show that कि ये responsible power है which will act sustainable in future. Thus, few years down the line अगर देखा जाए तो India certainly have a significant role to play in the new world order as a responsible power. So that's all for today. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो, डू कमेंट ऑन इट, ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल और आप हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं विच इज @SOMP गाइडेंस फॉर फर्दर अपडेट्स. थैंक यू.